place our box here. Bring our here, 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 crease like this.
Cut through all of it. Just push it right in.
There's our way.
Wow, Dave, we couldn't get better than that, huh?
Nope.
I probably pushed way too much in. But
Well, I'll pull it back up.
yeah.
Okay, so we'll put our wire into our old work box here.
You need a new switch?
Yes.
This one you can fasten in, Dave.
Right, okay, good.
Because the sheetrock's already up.
Okay, good.
Don't forget you got a banana in your
Yeah, I need
drink
that.
spot.
Yeah, I need that after I finish this up. So, put our wire into our box. Put it down into our wall. And we gotta cut a little more to make this piece go in, and we gotta cut our notch the wire. We'll just use our sheetrock knife here. So got a little here, a little here, got a little. Okay, what's right in there? Alright, a little bit down here for this to go in. Okay. It's always a joy to forget the Phillips screwdriver, so you don't frustrate, you just walk forward without it.
What do you need, Buck?
My Phillips screwdriver that has the flat.
Where'd you leave it?
I don't know.
I'll look for it. Your 12-volt what?
Yes. And my friend is going to look for it. Okay. Okay, that goes in here like this. Okay, I just got to take a little more off the top here. Okay. Yeah, that's what happens.
It's gotta be here.
Yeah, I know it's got to be somewhere, but you can't frustrate over everything, you know.
Oops.
You don't frustrate, you just praise your Heavenly Father, you worship Him, give Him praise and glory and honor. No! No.
What, Bud? No. You may have left it down basement, Dave.
I looked, I know it's not done. Well, you know what? This box is slightly too deep. It's in the back of the wall right there.
what's that?
That's what I need the screwdriver for, but I don't have it, so I'll just do it with the flathead. And don't frustrate over that screwdriver we don't have.
We'll find it.
When something's missing, it's missing, and don't complain about it, you don't frustrate about it.
Just give me right there.
Yeah, it's just tearing up the head piece a little too wide. I need that other screwdriver.
You can't be down here today.
Okay, it is what it is. We're not gonna frustrate. We're not gonna curse.
It'll be fine.
We're not gonna curse our Heavenly Father. We're gonna be thankful for
Alright, Dave, come on.
what we can do.
I'm gonna have to pop those other boards up so you can drill
Yes,
through, right?
yes. And I can do all that drilling after you pop the boards up. Okay. So this is a case where our black feed wire will go going to the white switch wire, and our white wire is going to be live here in the switch. So first we'll put our ground wire around the green screw.
And this one on the fucking drill. Only one.
Okay, there's our ground wire. Now it doesn't matter if you put the black or white. There's the black one. Doesn't matter which screw you put the black or the white in, because it's a single pole switch loop. There we go. We got our connection to the way we want it. We're going to go back and go across the bottom with our ground wire here. We're using a Robertson number 2 screwdriver here.
Dave, we're gonna have to run that wire at an angle, but
Okay, that'll be fine, yeah.
because that's the way I cut the boards out.
Okay, that'll be fine.
The drill's right here.
Okay.
There's batteries up there.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so
You're gonna want to mark out for your box, right?
yes.
You want to shut the power off to this?
Yes.
Hey, Steve.
now we're gonna drill our hole from the switch, or from the light, over to where our switch is. We're gonna start drilling some holes. So we didn't damage the wire. So I'll come over here to this one. Where do we drill our hole? There's one here. There's one here. We got one over here. Make sure there's no wire over here. Wire here. Slag is up. Drill another hole here. I must be hitting something. So I'm going to go back over here and try. So we are done drilling. Now we can put our wires down to our holes here. Putting our two older wires down in. We got our newer wire, we gotta cut it. Okay, we're gonna take our wire that goes over to our switch, we're gonna come over, and we're gonna go into our light fixture. Okay, so now we can put our wires through our holes here. There's one. There's our other one right other one is right here. Now we'll go down into our box we just put up down here. So that is how to get the wire from where we put the switch, the new switch in the wall, to the existing light fixture. And the other one, just force it until it comes out. There it is. There we go. Well, sort of back where we cut off that got damaged, we forced it.
She said she went over to use the bathroom at my house. I didn't either until she said it. Dave, you're all set. There.
Yes, I'm all set.
You want this light up here?
Yeah, I'll just put that on for temporary.
And then I'll have you figure out what's going on with this light switch with this.
Yeah, I think it's just a bad switch. Well, that paper. Well, you know what? If it comes off in little pieces, it comes off in little pieces. You don't get frustrated. You just take it off in pieces. That's all. It's that simple. It's that simple. You don't frustrate over anything at all. Nothing whatsoever. Okay, so now we have older Romex here, and we don't know which wire is alive. Okay, this is our hot wire. This is our neutral wire. We're going to take our black live feed wire and hook it to our white switch wire. So we'll strip with our 14 gauge hole. And this is older Romex. We have a bad spot right here, so we're going to clip that off. Now, if this was knob and tube, it would be really, really super brittle. It would just crumble as soon as you try to take it off. But it's very good insulation. This is cloth and rubber, but it's not as brittle like knob and tube would be. So we'll get our insulation even at the top here. We'll twist our wires together. Okay, we'll clip them so they're even here. Put our yellow wire nut on here. Okay, now we can fold this wire up out of our way. So this wire is the newer wire. We'll just fold it up out of our way here. And our black feed wire to our white switch wire up in here. Now this black wire is live when it comes back to the switch. So we're gonna just get our ground wire out of the way because we're just putting up a temporary light here. So on a permanent light, our black wire will go on the black wire coming back from the switch, because that'll be the live wire. And it's so badly stripped short, I just tucked it in the wire nut and hooked it up. And I'll put our white on our neutral wire with the older cloth and rubber wire, which we discovered was neutral. And we'll just cap it together here. And we'll go over to our switch and turn it on. We'll turn the belly chain back on here. And here we go. Alrighty, so that is how to run a switch loop from an existing light that had constant power to it. Here in the country I was born in, we use 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps, 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare and the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a switch loop, as we did here in this circuit, and in a 220, 240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. Peace. Thanks for watching.